Have you heard about mud volcanoes?
Hello. Yes, I heard about this, but I never was there.
Let's go to see where are they on the map. Don't you want to visit the mud volcanoes?
Hello. Yes, I want to go there.
Now, let's see the history of mud volcanoes.
Hello. I'm your guide for today. Let's start our tour. Mud volcanoes formations are created by natural gas from more than 3,000 meters deep, passing through a clay soil, in combination with the groundwater. Geologists recognize that name Vulcan was once more artistic impression. In fact, the hot magma is erupting mud and volcanoes there, but a sedimentary mud cold as possible.
Which are the most famous mud volcanoes in Romania?
In Romania, the best known and most spectacular are the Băsău mud volcanoes in Buzău, Subcarpathians.
How do volcanoes erupt?
Mud is continuously pushed by the natural gas to mouth volcanoes, where crawling on their slopes, sub-form of streams.
Thanks for information.
You're welcome. Thanks for your attention.
So, did you like our trip?
Of course, I was feeling like on the moon.